This new feature adds the ability to use machine code simulation for robots using ABB controllers. The advantages of machine code simulation compared with toolpath-based simulation include validation of the posted output itself and an accurate representation of time during the simulation. This first example shows machine code-based simulation for an ABB robot with positioner. The machine code-based simulation option is new for ABB. The NC program display shows the posted output for ABB. This next example shows machine code-based simulation for an ABB on rail robot.